Howdy howdy. Just wanted to make a quick little video here. Had a cool little vintage electronics haul the other day. I know this Panasonic doesn't look too special. It does fire up and everything seems to work on it. Get it cleaned up, get it listed. Hope to hit the nostalgia factor with it. Maybe somebody had one of those sitting for years and they gotta have it again. You never know. Down here, a couple 8-track players. Old Stereomatic 9900 and the Panasonic. Haven't tested these yet, but people are still into old 8-track players. And here's the gem that I found. It's the Pioneer. What's the model on that? It's a H-R100. This one works excellent. Actually, already have it listed, and hope to do really well with it. Say hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Here's another one I found. This is a Jazzy 614 HD electric wheelchair. Just had to buy a charger for it. Funny little story on this chair. My thrift store had this for excuse me, $400. Went in there on their half day sale last Memorial Day, and went to buy this thing at $220. Well, they couldn't find the charger, so I decided against it. Well, about an hour before they closed, they called me up and said, "Hey, we're going to price this at $199, and if you come down and buy it today, we'll let you have it for $100." So I couldn't pass that up. Had a half charge on the battery. I was able to drive this thing home I live about half a mile away. So it made it. So at $100, that this controller right here will at least make my money back. But hopefully I can find somebody that needs this thing and, you know, give them a good deal on it. Either do a Craigslist type deal or a eBay local pickup. Well, just a quick little video for you. I do appreciate you taking the time to check it out. Please like, subscribe, comment. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.